every day, every week, whether it be product managers or engineers or any other person at IndiaMart, they spend time in writing MOMs, writing weekly reports, writing BRDs, creating new tickets. All of these things which are repetitive tasks, which have a specific defined structure, but they still take a lot of our daily time in the like by repeating them one by one or repeating them day on day. So to help with all these type of tasks, we have created SkillMart, which is basically a marketplace for AI skills. Right now, we have these 7 skills which we have created using our day-to-day issues that we face, the issues that our teammates face, the issues that product managers and executives in our team face. Like if I have to write a MOM, I have to spend 15-20 minutes to write MOM. Same goes with reports, like we spend 25 to 30 minutes, sometimes even more, for writing weekly reports. So to help with all those things, we have created these skills. So I'll start with this playground part, which we have created to test out any skill that we want to. So suppose I want to create a report. What I will do is I'll just paste the screenshot of the report here. And also with that, I'll paste like what the tasks were done in this week and what the tasks are still work in progress, because that these types of things we usually add in our weekly reports. So if I just click run here, what it will do is like it will first identify which skill to use, because we have not specified which skill it will use. So it will identify like it has to use report writer here. So it has identified the skill, and now it will start writing our report. So basically it has started writing like the things that we usually share in our report, like which duration or which week's report it is. Along with that, what are the summaries, what are the highlights for that week. What we can do is like we can just copy and directly paste it, and basically our report for the week is done in less than a minute. Along with that, what we can do is like we can create MOM. So if I just write MOM here and attach a Gemini note for a meeting. So this was a meeting I attended a few days ago, and these are the notes that I got from Gemini. If I just run the skill, it has identified that MOM generator skill is required. It will start creating skills for like MOMs for that meeting using the skill. So MOMs can be created by ChatGPT also, but we have a specific format of MOMs in MOMs at IndiaMart. The format in which we share MOM over the email, which is basically we share it either in the Excel format or Google Sheet format. What we can do is like we can just copy this part here. These is tab separated values that we get, and just paste it here. So what it will do is like just convert it into a easily shareable MOMs that, and in the format that we usually share it in. So what else can we do? We can create new skills as well. Suppose if someone wants to create a new skill, they can directly upload a markdown file as well. Along with that, they can create it in simple text also. So if someone knows what type of skill they have to create, they can just paste, okay, I want to create this skill which will do this particular task. So we can just paste it. Afterwards, it will ask what problem of IndiaMart people, or what IndiaMart problem will it solve. We can just paste it, that many engineers have to write Swagger documentation. So having a skill for writing API documentation is essential. It will check whether it needs to get some more information, because we shouldn't allow it to create any type of skills. Like if someone is trying to create a basic skill which can be easily done by LLM, or a skill which doesn't have enough specification, then that skill won't be useful for anyone. So it will ask us a few more clarification questions. Once we answer it, if the answers are good enough, it will create the skill for us using our skill generator. And the skill generator, basically we have specified the format of the skill, what type of details, input output format, and things like that. And after a skill has been generated, anyone can use it on SkillMart, test it, and we can optimize our life by 10x.